Our editor-in-chief, Andy Serwer, joins us right now. And Andy, you remember on the old Star Trek show when Mr. Spock would raise his eyebrow? He would go just like that. When something very curious happened. There are 8.6 billion reasons to raise eyebrows after what Warren Buffett did with our parent company, Verizon. Can you help us understand it?
Yeah, that's right, Adam. Yesterday, his new holdings were released to the world, and maybe the most surprising was a big purchase of Verizon stock, our parent company. I don't know. If you think about it, though, Adam, why is it so surprising? I mean, the stock was down from like 61 bucks to 54 and change, and it was yielding 4.6%. So this is someone who looks for value, and he snapped up a bunch of shares. You can see the stock trading up nicely today. Also there on the screen, you saw Chevron, CVX. That was another stock that he picked up as well. Picked up a bunch of medical stocks, pharma stocks, I should say, as well. Merck, Bristol Myers, and AbbVie. And those stocks are all up. Pretty much all the stocks that he reportedly bought in the last quarter are trading up today. So that is the power of the Oracle, you guys.
Andy, and you know Warren Buffett very, very well. You've interviewed him a number of times. I think investors are really trying to pore through some of these decisions and try to figure out what Warren Buffett, what his read is right now of the market, what his read is right now of the economy. I'm curious just to get your take on that, because some of these moves, while maybe they weren't so surprising, they are very interesting by him.
Yeah, totally. I mean, you know, the oil moves are interesting because he the Chevron acquisition investment he made, I should say. You know, a lot of people say that these stocks are going down forever. You know, obviously not. But, you know, they've been a value trap in a way, Shauna, because if you've invested in Exxon thinking it's cheap, it just keeps getting cheaper, which is to say you'd be losing money in it. So that's a big endorsement there. On the other hand, he did get out of another oil stock at the same time. So not universally bullish across the board there. Apple, I think, you know, we got to talk about that, you guys, because that was big news. He paired his holdings there. Still the largest holding for Berkshire Hathaway, with 120 billion. But that stock is down today. And so you got to ask yourself, I mean, Apple's been on such a great run. Part of that has been the endorsement of Warren Buffett. I mean, you have to be perfectly honest here. And now that's no longer there. And so that is actually, you know, a wind in the face for Apple investors. I'm not saying the company's not going to continue to do well or even that the stock will continue to go up, but it does not have that wind at its back anymore that, you know, has this blue chip seal on it, which is to say Warren Buffett.
Andy Serwer is our editor-in-chief. We appreciate your being here. Live long. Can I do it? Live long and prosper there. I think I can do it.
There we go.